All right, YouTube, I'm back again. Yeah, the first take. Yeah, time. This is my beat. Yeah, I made this beat up. It's gonna be for my song called "I Made It Through." When I get done with it, I'm gonna hit y'all up with the song. But for right now, here, just listen to the beat that I got for y'all. Here you go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, here they go. At the drums now. Oh wait, here we go. We're gonna add the drums. Alright, YouTube, that's it for me right now. But I'm gonna hit y'all up. Okay, peace.